So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can add your tally form responses to your Google Sheets. But before I show you how this automation can be created, I'll just show you how this automation is going to work. So as you can see, I've entered all my details and I'm just going to submit this form. Once I'm just going to submit this form, automatically the details will be added in this Google Sheets without any manual intervention. And as you can see, within seconds and in real time, the details are added right over here in my Google Sheets. Be it the name, the email, the phone number, the property type, or the buy, sell, or rent. So yes, this is the amazing automation which we're going to learn in today's video. So watch this tutorial till the end to create this for yourself. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of form responses details into your Google Sheets for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So if you watch our YouTube videos, this discount coupon code is just for you. I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. And for that, we have this discount coupon. Alright, so now let's see how this automation can be created. So with that, this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for tally form and select it. Now for the event, select it as new response and click on this connect. You're going to receive this webhook URL. So just copy your webhook URL and open your tally form dashboard. On this dashboard, you're going to see that these are the forms which I have created and I want to create this automation for this form. So I'm just going to go towards this edit of this form. Once we're on this edit of this form, we have to go towards integrations tab. So as you can see that this is the integrations tab. So go on this integrations. And once you are on this integrations, you have to go towards this webhooks and click on this connect. Now it is asking for the endpoint URL. So simply paste the URL which you copied from the workflow and click on this connect. Once you click on this connect, you're going to see that we have successfully added this webhook URL. This means that we have created the connection between Tally and Pabbly Connect. But now it is saying waiting for webhook response, and in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission, which means that we have to submit this form. Alright, so what we're just going to do is we're going to go towards this share and we're going to copy this form link and open it in a new tab. And I'm just going to fill in this form as test user this time. So as you can see, I've entered all my details right over here. Now I'm just going to select it as rent. For the preferred property type, let's select it as commercial space and click on this submit. It is saying thanks for completing this form. So we have successfully submitted this form. Now let's open our workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response for the same right over here. Now let's add these details in our Google Sheets. For that, let's just close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for Google Sheets and you have to select it. For the event, select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once we're going to click on this sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to sign in. And after this, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions and your Google Sheets will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, just you have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet and automatically it is going to ask you for all the details which are over here in the columns of your Google Sheets. So one by one you have to enter all of these details, but over here is a hack. You don't have to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map these details, you have to put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map. It is very easy. You can map it just like this. And yes, it is very important that you map the details, otherwise this workflow is not going to run in real time. So let's map all the details right over here, and after mapping these details, click on the save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response. So let's open our Google Sheets, and the details are added right over here. Be the name, email, phone number, property type, or the buy, sell, or rent which is interested in. And yes, not only this, now whenever I'm just going to receive the new form submission, automatically the details will be added in my Google Sheets without any manual intervention. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. Once this form is submitted, the details will be added, and yes, this is true. Like I showed you, we don't have to go back and again towards our workflow to waste our time. We just have to sit back and relax, and this is going to run in backend. So go and try this amazing automation for yourself, and if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. The workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below. If you like Pabbly Connect, you can move it further and purchase the subscription plan. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.